In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a dashboard in LibreOffice Calc. Dashboards are a fantastic way to visually present your data, making information easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're managing a project, tracking personal finances, or analyzing business data, a well-crafted dashboard can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in and see how you can create one using LibreOffice Calc. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have it open, you'll see a variety of options. Go ahead and click on Calc Spreadsheet to start a new spreadsheet. Alternatively, if you've been working on a project and want to add a dashboard, you can simply select your document from the recent documents list. Now that you have your spreadsheet ready, it's time to select the data you want to visualize. This is a crucial step because the effectiveness of your dashboard largely depends on the quality and relevance of the data you choose. Click on the cells containing the data you're interested in. Make sure to include headers for better clarity and organization. Once your data is selected, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Chart. This is where the magic happens as you'll begin transforming your raw data into a visual format. After clicking on Chart, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll see several options for customizing your chart. First, choose the type of chart that best represents your data. LibreOffice offers a variety of chart types, such as bar charts, pie charts, and line charts. Consider what will best convey your information. Bar charts are great for comparing quantities, while line charts can show trends over time. Next, you'll need to specify the data range. This tells the software exactly which data to include in the chart. Be sure to double-check that the range covers all the necessary data points and headers. This step helps ensure your chart is complete and accurate. Following this, set up your data series. Data series are sets of related data points that the chart will display. For instance, if you're tracking sales data, each data series might represent a different product line. Properly setting up your data series enhances the clarity and usefulness of your dashboard. You'll also want to customize the chart elements. This includes titles, axis labels, and legends, which can all add context and clarity to your chart. Take a moment to ensure these elements are descriptive, as they help anyone viewing the dashboard quickly understand what they're looking at. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections, click Finish. Your chart will now appear in your spreadsheet, giving you a visual representation of your data. You can move and resize the chart as needed and even adjust the formatting for a polished look. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to create a dashboard in LibreOffice Calc. With your new skills, you can now transform numbers into insightful visualizations. Feel free to experiment with different chart types and styles to find what works best for your needs. Happy charting!